Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're taking a look at a travel trailer that genuinely surprised me the moment I stepped inside. I've toured a lot of RVs over the years, but every once in a while, one comes along that completely changes what I thought was possible in a half-ton towable travel trailer. And this one does exactly that. From the outside, it looks rugged, capable, and built for serious adventures. But once you step inside, you'll discover one of the smartest floor plans I've ever seen. The kitchen layout alone is enough to make this trailer stand out from almost everything else in its class. If you enjoy mountain camping, long road trips, four-season travel, or simply want an RV that feels comfortable and functional instead of cramped, you're going to want to see every inch of this one. Let's get started. As we begin up front, the first thing that stands out is the molded fiberglass front cap. The moment you step through the entry door, you're greeted by a warm and inviting interior. Instead of chasing modern trends with cold colors and sterile finishes, this trailer creates a cozy atmosphere that feels more like a mountain lodge. The cabinetry has a rich, natural appearance, the wall colors feel welcoming, and the overall design creates a comfortable environment you actually want to spend time in. But then, your eyes immediately move toward the kitchen. And wow, this may be one of the most impressive kitchen layouts I've ever seen in a travel trailer of this size. The amount of countertop space here is incredible. Most travel trailers force you to compromise when it comes to food preparation, but not this one. You have long stretches of usable counter space, making it easy to prepare meals, set up a coffee station, use an air fryer, or simply spread out while cooking. Large windows surround the kitchen area, flooding the space with natural light and giving you beautiful views of your campsite while you cook. It's the kind of kitchen that actually makes you want to spend time preparing meals. Above the stove, there's a large vent fan designed to move air efficiently while cooking. The oversized window behind the kitchen adds even more openness to the space, making the entire area feel significantly larger than it actually is. The solid surface countertops contribute to the premium feel, and everywhere you look, there's storage. Upper cabinets, lower cabinets, deep drawers, additional pantry-style storage. There's a place for everything. Moving over to the refrigerator area, one thing I really like is the positioning. It's mounted at a comfortable height, making it easier to access your food without constantly bending down. Below the refrigerator, you'll find additional storage drawers, helping maximize every inch of available space. Nearby, there's also a microwave and even more cabinetry for storing cookware, dishes, and supplies. When it comes to organization, this trailer absolutely delivers. As we continue through the living area, you'll notice the thoughtful combination of comfort and functionality. The dining table is large enough for family meals, game nights, or even working remotely while traveling. One of the things I love most about this setup is that the seating faces directly toward the entertainment area, creating a much more natural and comfortable living experience. The ceiling design helps open up the space even further. Thanks to the vaulted ceiling profile, the interior feels taller and more spacious than many travel trailers in this category. Overhead, you'll find integrated speakers and a quiet air conditioning system designed to keep the cabin comfortable during warmer months. At the same time, this trailer was clearly designed with cold weather camping in mind. One detail some people might overlook is the carpeted flooring section in the living area. While some RV shoppers automatically assume hard flooring is better, carpet offers significant insulation benefits during colder weather. It also feels warmer and more comfortable underfoot when temperatures drop. For campers who enjoy mountain destinations and cooler climates, that extra comfort can make a noticeable difference. The recliners in this trailer deserve special attention as well. These aren't the typical RV recliners that feel stiff or undersized. They're plush, supportive, and surprisingly comfortable. You can easily imagine relaxing here after a day of hiking, fishing, or exploring, while enjoying a movie on the nearby television. Large dual-pane windows surround the living area, helping improve insulation while also reducing outside noise. The result is a quieter and more comfortable camping experience. Natural light pours into the cabin during the day, while blackout shades allow complete privacy whenever you want it. Now let's head into the bathroom. For a trailer of this size, the bathroom is impressively spacious. You'll find a porcelain foot flush toilet, a large vanity area, solid surface countertops, and a stainless steel sink. There's plenty of storage beneath the vanity, along with convenient towel hooks and a large mirror for getting ready in the morning. One feature that really stands out is the oversized vent fan. Many travel trailers cut corners in the bathroom, but having a larger ventilation system helps remove moisture quickly and improves overall comfort. The shower itself offers surprisingly good headroom. Even taller campers should find it comfortable. And unlike many compact RV bathrooms, moving into the sleeping area, we find one of the smartest space-saving solutions available in travel trailers today. This unit uses a Murphy bed design. During the day, you enjoy a spacious living room and dining area. At night, the bed quickly folds down into position. The system is simple, smooth, and easy to operate. What really impressed me was the mattress. Many RV mattresses are an immediate upgrade candidate, but this one feels supportive and comfortable right from the start. Overhead cabinets and wardrobe storage provide plenty of room for clothing and personal items, while reading lights make nighttime use convenient. The privacy curtain helps separate the sleeping area from the rest of the trailer when needed, creating a more comfortable sleeping environment. Now, let's step back outside and take a closer look at what makes this trailer such a capable four-season camping machine. Starting underneath, one of the first things you'll notice is the upgraded suspension system. This setup is clearly designed for rougher roads and off-grid adventures. Heavy-duty shocks help improve ride quality, while the suspension components are engineered to handle uneven terrain more effectively than traditional travel trailer systems. The tires are built for durability and long-distance travel, and mud flaps help protect the trailer when traveling through wet or muddy conditions. Another impressive feature is the protective shielding underneath critical components. In the event of a tire failure, these protective panels help prevent damage to important systems located beneath the trailer. It's a simple feature that demonstrates attention to detail. Along the side, you'll find a large power awning with protective covering, helping extend the life of the awning material. The dual-pane windows continue around the entire trailer, contributing to the unit's impressive insulation package. This trailer is built specifically with four-season camping in mind. The enclosed and heated underbelly helps protect tanks and plumbing systems in colder temperatures. Heating pads on holding tanks provide additional protection during freezing conditions. There's also an automatic leveling system, which is almost unheard of on many travel trailers in this size range. With the push of a button, setup becomes dramatically easier. At the rear, you'll find a backup camera, exterior shower, spare tire, and a sturdy ladder providing roof access. Climbing onto the roof reveals one more major highlight: solar power. This trailer comes equipped with an impressive rooftop solar system, capable of supporting extended off-grid camping adventures. Combined with the insulated construction and four-season design, it creates a package that feels ready for serious travel. Tank capacities are also impressive, giving you the ability to stay off-grid longer without constantly searching for hookups. Everything about this trailer feels designed around real-world camping, rather than simply looking good on a dealer lot. And honestly, that's what impressed me most. This isn't just another travel trailer. It's a thoughtfully engineered RV that combines premium construction, incredible kitchen space, true four-season capability, comfortable living accommodations, and one of the most unique floor plans I've seen in years. For anyone looking for a half-ton towable travel trailer that stands apart from the crowd, this one absolutely deserves a serious look. Let me know what you think of this floor plan, and whether you'd choose this unique kitchen-focused layout for your next adventure. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and I'll see you in the next RV tour.